forward, so you guys are gonna stick with me. And we're gonna make packaged food. It says that I need a saucepan. I don't know what that is though. Medium saucepan. I don't know what a saucepan is. I don't know how you size them either. Huh. This will be interesting. I found this one. It doesn't look medium, it's smaller than my face, but it's gonna have to do. So, let's cook things. Is olive oil and vegetable oil the same thing? I don't even know. Safflower, is this the same? Extra virgin olive oil, also olive oil. I have vinegar. Do you think that's the same thing? No? Okay. Okay, so we don't have vegetable oil, so I'm going to do the ghetto thing and use butter. We don't seem to have butter. Oh, look, butter. I found the butter. Do you think this is enough? We'll have to make do. I think I got the stove on. And it says 1.5 cups of water. So all I have is a 1/2 cup that's got a hole in the bottom. So if I put my finger on the bottom of the cup, like so, and then measure it 3 times, that makes 1/2 cup, right? Math. I meant 1.5 cups. So now we need butter. I love to see some. So much butter, so much. I feel like I'm scooping like a butter ice cream. Ever sick. How do you get? Does anybody else have this issue? Ooh, it's under my nails. Oh my goodness, I'm just slaving. Nobody ever helps me in this house, huh? Make dinner all by myself. Don't wait for this to boil now. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the meantime either. Jeez. Oh, what do other people do when they're cooking and waiting for stuff to boil? Facebook. Just give me a minute. I didn't know it was on. You know, sometimes when I'm cooking, I like to think about life. All the ways I messed up. And then I eat my feelings. This takes forever. I just dropped so much butter on my toe. Ew, it's like between my toes and I can't get it out. Am I the only one who makes snacks while I wait for their food to be done? Or it's delicious. Does that count as boiling? I see bubbles. Is that a bubble right there? I think I need more toast. Oh, it's finally happening. It's happening. It's happening. Oh, yeah. Whew. Good job. Oh, it says stir in contents of package. Oh, I did that. Wait 7 minutes or until noodles are tender. Let's stand at least 2 minutes. Oh, cooking is like such a chore. What in the world does simmer mean anyway? It looks like it's boiling to me. How do I make it stop boiling now? I don't know. Teriyaki chicken does not smell good when it comes from a bag. Something else I realized. How do I know when 7 minutes goes by when I'm using my phone to do this? I did not think this all the way through. No. Oh, I think it's simmering if I continue to stir it like so. I know what to do. I'm gonna put all Thanksgiving turkey in it, because that'll be good. But nobody will know, so it's okay. Oh, that looks gross. Sick. I'm such a good dinner maker, huh? That looks all sorts of nasty. Well, at least we still know the turkey's still good though, huh? No, it's not. It's not. Oh my gosh, I'm still waiting. Oh, who has time for this cooking stuff? Not me. I'm about to order a pizza, see if it gets here faster. I can do this. Can you guys do this? Okay. But can you do this? Yeah. Bet you can't. We gotta taste this now. It's time to see. Oh dear God, it's burning. Come on, baby. Taste it, baby. Oh, it's hot. Alright, everybody, here it is. This is my teriyaki turkey creation. It looks delicious though. I'm not excited to eat this. You guys coming over or what? Just kidding. I'm not gonna eat any of this. I save it for you guys. Have a good night.